Birds of a feather flock together. Today we're talking flying geese, parallelograms, and trapezoids. To start, I'm going to be taking a square and marking the center down the diagonal. I'm getting my ruler lined up and marking with my pencil. Once I get it all marked, I'm ready to take and lay it over my rectangle. And I'm going to be wanting mine to make the start of a flying geese unit. I'm going to take and I'm going to pin the marked line. I'm going to take and check and make sure that that's pointing the correct way, and it is. So I'm ready to sew. I'm sewing on the marked line. All the way down. I've sewn the marked line, and now I'm going to pull it back and check again. Yep, that's the way I want it to go. I'm going to take my ruler, and I'm going to trim 1/4 inch from my sewn line. And I'm going to take and press it. I'm going to set my seam, and then I'm going to press it up towards my little triangle. The triangle on the end of this rectangle is a unit in itself, but using the same method, you can also make flying geese, parallelograms, and trapezoids just by paying attention to which direction you sew that seam. You'll find these basic units everywhere in quilting, and now you don't have to be scared of them using this simple technique. Thanks for watching. A special thanks to our sponsor, Eversewn. I love this machine, and if you'd like to get one too, check out shopaqs.com. Members always get 20% off, and you can get additional savings by using the code down in the description.